Alright, we got this question that we need to merge two strings. And these two strings, they could have different lengths. And we need to get the word one in front of every character, corresponding character in word two. So very intuitively, we should use the two-pointer approach, and we just loop through verb 1 and verb 2 until one of the pointer is reached the end, and if there are any extra space for the pointer 1 or the pointer 2, we need to just append that part of the string to the result. So basically this is just the time complexity will be the maximum of the length of verb 1 and verb 2, and the space complexity, considering using a new space for the return is not included in the complexity analysis. It should be O1. Actually, we can use ablative like P1 and P2 to represent pointer 1 and pointer 2. And while P1 was smaller than the length of the verb 1, and P2 is smaller than the length verb 2. So a very common way to do this is just make the result as a list at first, and then we will join it in the end. So every time we just append the verb 1 P1 because it comes first, verb 2 P2. Don't forget to increment the pointer. Right, so if the P1 is smaller than the last verb 1, we need to just can use this extend. Actually it's not necessary because we can append the rest of it just like this, because P1 is something we didn't put it to the rest of now, so we can start it from here to the end. And else, if this P2 is smaller than the last verb 2. So very similarly, we can do this, append the verb 2 P2 to the end. In the end, we just return using this empty to join the whole result. Yeah, we can see the complexity is ON, and in terms of the memory is ON because this is we are using the Python, the string is immutable, so we have to use ON for the result. So using this list way. Thank you.